teaser exercise using ankle weights. We're going to be using this to make it a little bit more challenging. If you have not yet mastered the Pilates teaser and you can't fold your body up into that teaser, this isn't going to be a great one for you. There's no need to intensify something that you can't properly do first. So I would say go and work on just that teaser even more. And then once you've got it down and you feel like you could teaser all day or a good portion of your day, then we're going to move on to intensifying that.
Sitting down on your mat, we're going to take one ankle weight and put it on the right ankle. Now, we're going to cross that right ankle over top of the left and then get into position to begin your teaser, lying down with the arms up overhead. Inhale to prepare, and on the exhale, lift up into that teaser. Inhale, holding at the top, and exhale as you roll everything back down. Now uncross the legs and roll up to seated, remove that weight, and switch to the other foot. We're going to do this evenly, the same number on both sides, so that we feel nice and even through the body. I'm lifting back up into that teaser, now with the weight on the left leg. Uncrossing the legs here and rolling up to seated to remove that weight. Now we're going to switch the weight from the lower body to the upper body. So go ahead and put those ankle weights onto the wrists and hold on to them with your hands, lifting the arms up overhead. Lift into your teaser with the weights now in your hands. If you find that holding both of them is too much, go to a single weight that you hold with both hands. Make sure that as you're adding weight to these exercises, that your form isn't suffering, that your ability to lift and lower isn't suffering, and that you're not feeling anything sharp in your joints. Now we're going to lower that weight. Bring one of the ankle weights down, take the other one and open it up, or you can hold both hands there. I like to open mine wide and hold onto it with both hands and begin the teaser here. You should feel lighter and more free every time that you take some weight out. Now we're going to take that weight off to the side and we're going to perform a teaser with no weight at all. The motion and the exercise is getting a little bit easier every time that we lower down weight or remove weight entirely, but our bodies are also rather fatigued. I'm not sure that the continuing exercise gets easier as we go along with this, but it does get a little bit different. And lowering down here. Whew, certainly feeling that in my core. Now for a bonus round, we're gonna lift really slowly and controlled into that teaser. Inhale at the top, and then prepare to lower down very slowly, smoothly, and controlled. This is a real challenge after all the teasers that we just did. Also, at the end of our teaser series, this is a good test to see, are we lifting using those muscles in a controlled way, or have we gotten tired and relied upon momentum or quick jerking motions? When we take the teaser nice and slow, that leaves us so we can't do that. And lowering down that last one right here. Ooh, definitely feeling that deeply in my core.
Okay, that was pretty intense.
You can find all of my Mat Pilates tutorials on Patreon. Let me know how you did with this intensifying teaser challenge. And I'll see you next time in the studio.